flooding is forecast. Where? Latara Creek at Harbor Tavern. When? Until early Thursday morning. Impacts: at 9.0 feet, several driveways and other minor roadways are affected. Water begins to enter some basements. At 10.0 feet, high water isolates several houses. At 12.0 feet, a number of secondary roads are closed, resulting in some evacuations. A few homes are flooded. Additional details: at 9:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 6.3 feet. Forecast: the creek is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 10.9 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow night. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood